Number 12 asks which net can be used to make a cube. I think you can look at answer choice A and see that that will not fold around. You could fold it around to make the outside of a hexagonal prism, but you need some of these squares on the other side to fold over to close it in. So, I mean, if it were a cube, two of these squares would have to be relocated. So answer choice A will not work. B, these four squares will fold around to make the outside or the faces of the cube, but these squares will not fold over to close in the cube because they're both on the same side. So that won't work. C also will not work because we need four squares to fold around to make the outside, and we would need this one would need to be somewhere over here or here. So C won't work. D will work. These four will fold around, and then these two would fold over to make the top and the bottom of the cube. Okay, 13 says the front view of a solid figure is shown below. Which best represents a solid? So I'm looking at this front view, and I'm looking for the one that matches. This one has an extra cube. That doesn't work. C works. Let's make sure nothing else works. D does not work. I'm missing something here. And B doesn't work for a couple reasons. I have an extra cube here and I'm missing one here. So answer choice C. 14. The top, side, and front views of a solid figure made of cubes are shown below. Which solid figure is best represented by these views? Let me move this box if I can. Okay. Looking at this top view, all four of these answer choices match that top view, so that's not going to help us at all. Let's look at the side view. We have a column of 4 on the right hand side, just like that. Same for C, D, and B. And then 2 columns of 3. A looks like that. B doesn't look like that. We're missing something here, so cross off B. D doesn't work from the side because you have this column, but you don't have the next 2 columns. The C also works, so we're down to A and C. Now we need to use the front view. Well, this left column of 4 tells me that it has to be answer choice A, because if you look at C, we only have a column of 3. We're missing something on C. So that's how you do those problems. You just have to visually imagine what you would see as you're looking from the front from the front view, the side view, and the top view, and eliminate answer choices until you find the one that works. 15 says the top, front, and side views of a solid figure made of cubes are shown below. Which solid figure is best represented by these views? It looks like the view that will help us the most in this case is the front view, because if you look at answer choice C, we're missing a cube there. A, we have one too many cubes there. D looks nothing like it, but B does match it. So, and then just double check the side view would be a column of 4, the top view would be a row of 3 squares. So everything about B works. Okay, this problem is going to take a little bit longer, so I'll do this on the last video.